Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a direct debit on Revolut. First, open your Revolut app and head over to the Transfers tab. Next, select Upcoming. This is where all your scheduled payments and direct debits are listed. Find the direct debit you'd like to cancel and tap on it. Once you've opened it, simply click delete and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Just a quick reminder, you can only cancel a direct debit that's scheduled for an upcoming payment. If it has already been paid, you won't be able to delete it from past transactions. And one more thing to keep in mind, if you cancel a direct debit, it can only be reinstated by the company or service you originally set up with, not through Revolut. And that's it. That's how to cancel a direct debit on Revolut. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.